everyone, the Odon's here and welcome in another episode of our Lutong Bahay video. Today guys, I'm gonna be cooking shrimp in tomato and oyster sauce. So this is another easy dish guys that you can cook for your family. So let's go ahead and start. So right now, I'm heating our frying pan. Mainit na siya. Let's put in our 3 tablespoons of butter. Let's melt it. Now guys, our butter is melted. Let's pour in now our garlic. Our minced garlic. So it's up to you guys how much garlic you want to use in this dish. But for me, I prefer to have it with lots of garlic. Let's wait for our garlic to turn light brown, and then we will stir in our next ingredients. And guys, our garlic, okay na siya. Let's pour in our tomato sauce. So this tomato sauce guys is 8 ounces. Sizzling. So we will simmer this guys just until our tomato sauce thickens. Then when our tomato sauce thickens, we'll add our shrimp. Yan. Let's cover it up and simmer. Okay, so here's our tomato guys. Ayan, medyo nag-thicken na siya. You have to stir it often pala para hindi siya magdikit sa pan. So, sa frying pan nyo. Now, let's pour in our shrimp. So, this is our shrimp right here, guys. Lumulito siya. Here. I think it's like 2 pounds of shrimp, I'm not sure. But the pack says it's 30 to 41 count per pound. I bought this, guys, in our local grocery store here. It's already in a pack. It's already clean and divine. So, just ready for cooking. Now, let's pour in our shrimp. Oh, by the way, I seasoned this pala with ground black pepper. Our shrimp. Stir it. Make sure that every shrimp is covered with the sauce. Shrimp, let's cover it and cook it for I think 5 to 8 minutes, and let's come back later to check it. Alright guys, let's check our shrimp. Ayan, oh. Ayan, dumami na yung sauce niyo guys because of the shrimp. Let's continue cooking this guys until the sauce produces, and then we can add our oyster sauce. Guys, let's check na our shrimp. Ayan, so nag-reduce na ang ating sauce guys. Ayan siya. Now it's time to add our oyster sauce. Maybe 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce, guys. There. 1 to 2 tablespoon, guys, of oyster sauce. Depende ng inyong panlasa. Stir this. Oh, by the way, guys, this is the kind of oyster sauce I use. You can find this at Walmart, I think. They have one at Walmart too. There. Now it's time for tasting. Let's taste it, guys. Our shrimp is very tender. It's hot. Guys, it's so delicious. I'm sure your family will love this. Very easy. Few ingredients. So guys, this is done. Yan. So this is our shrimp and tomato and oyster sauce. So I hope you will try this recipe at home, guys, except to those people who are, allergic to shrimp, because I know there are people who are allergic to shrimp. But for those shrimp lovers, this is a must-try recipe for your family. Thank you for watching the video, guys, and I hope you like it. Give me a thumbs up, and if you don't have subscribed, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Thank you, guys. Bye!